Guys, I'm gonna give you my minimum, and when I say minimum price target this cycle for Jasmy. I'm gonna share some news with you. I'm gonna give you the latest updates. So sit back, relax, enjoy this longer video today, probably because we're gonna get into some details that I think is very important that probably other people aren't really covering. So if you're part of it, subscribe, make sure you drop a like. I would truly appreciate that. It's Saturday, I'm up early. I've been up since 4 a.m. It's 5:30 right now, working on my morning routine. If we can get this over 800 likes, I would be very grateful for that. We need to push this content out to more people. More people need to see what I'm talking about so they can start winning in crypto and in life. Before we get into the price target and the charts, and you're gonna absolutely love what I'm about to show you, so make sure you stay for this video. Positive market sentiment surrounds Jasmy despite recent dip. We know we're experiencing a dip right now. It's all good. This was expected. Jasmy's been on a freaking tear, and you'll see that in a second. The market sentiment for Jasmy coin appears optimistic. The recent price dip seems to be a minor setback in light of substantial long-term gains. I would agree. It's a setback. It's a pullback. It's normal, okay? And actually, by the way, guys, at the end of this video, or maybe I'll show it in a second, I'm gonna show you something I found on X, Bitcoin cycles. So you're gonna see that things are about to get freaking crazy as long as you hold, and you gotta hold the right coins. This coin's significant monthly and half-yearly growth are encouraging signs. Current technical indicators suggest persistent upward momentum. Momentum, stochastic. So what we talk about. Jasmy coin designed for data democratization in IoT ecosystems in Japan holds potential for increased adoption. This is like Japan's Bitcoin, man. Can you imagine if you bought Bitcoin at $1 or at $10? Now, I'm not saying Jasmy's gonna do what Bitcoin did, but the technology is there, the use case is there. By the way, grab your coffee. It's robust performance might attract more investors. More money's coming into crypto. Just watch and see. Fostering greater stability and continued growth. So guys, let me know down below, what is your thoughts with this news? This is the latest news. I mean, this came out like 4 hours ago. It's just someone writing their opinion on Jasmy, and I tend to agree with it. Okay, Jasmy right now trading at 3.4, just above 3 cents. Now, I did not create this chart. I found it from this person on X, just to let you know, but we do talk about this a lot. So I want to show you guys the big picture, because before you can really understand my minimum price target for Jasmy, which I'm going to share with you in a second, you have to understand cycles and what is happening right now with crypto. Okay, so halving events, obviously right here. This was back in the day, 2016. What happened? All the way to 2017. Looks like this was probably mid 2017, then 2019. So we topped out 2018, 2019 bear market. Then you start making some money here. Next event happened in 2020. Ran up, consolidated bear market. Now we're here consolidating. We're about to run up. Right, so Bitcoin's gonna go much higher. This is a given. This is why they approved ETFs. This is why big money is buying Bitcoin. This is why they're trying to scare retail with these red days. They control the market. You have to understand this stuff. You have to relax, okay? So this is the Bitcoin chart. What do you think Jasmy's gonna do? Bitcoin's right here. We're gonna be up here very soon. I mean, at least a price target of 240,000 this cycle for Bitcoin, I believe. Some people probably think it's gonna go a lot higher, maybe, but I'm gonna be taking healthy profits. I will hold some of my positions with different altcoins probably forever. Like I probably won't sell all of it. I'm not gonna catch the top because I believe crypto will be in our future. So it will be a great opportunity to obviously dollar cost average back in a couple years. But now is the time, guys. Now is the time where this is about to move much higher. This is why I talk about Dogecoin, because Dogecoin's gonna be great. Just made an update in the Patreon for that. Just made an update for Jasmy also in the Patreon, guys. Do yourself a favor. Join for free. There's a link. Literally, you can join it. Free, become a free member. I post a lot of free content every single week. Okay, people are joining for free every single day. And then if you want to upgrade and you want to get a little more details, you could do that. There's a couple spots open, I think, in different tiers. Just check it out. Do yourself a favor. Invest in yourself for free, literally for free. So join the community. We'll see you in there. This is going to happen soon. Let's now talk about Jasmy, okay? And I'm going to show you the chart for Jasmy and really, really what I think can happen and the reasons behind it, which are freaking legit. Let's go over the basics real quick. We got the stochastic right here on a weekly time frame. Okay. Actually, real quick, you can see it's kind of curling. The blue line, it's kind of curling like it wants to curl over, but I think we could still finish. I think finish much higher. This is just pulling back a little bit right here. We're just pulling back a little bit because we've obviously ran up over 500% in a matter of a couple months, which is a huge gain. So congrats to anyone that was buying Jasmy under a penny. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, minimum price target, guys. Okay. What I did and what I'm doing and what's going to happen is Jasmy's going to run up. Okay. Jasmy's going to do great. This is not a rug pull. There's nothing like that. Jasmy has a great use case. They have a great circulating supply. Their tokenomics are amazing. The market cap is very low still, in my opinion. I think we're under 2 billion market cap right now as I'm making this video. But my thesis and my belief is we're going to run up. This is going to be hard resistance, right here. We've been talking about 8.5 cents. Mark my words, 8.5 cents will be heavy resistance, okay? We're going to be doing this every week, learning about this stuff in the group down below, just so you know. So there's going to be a lot of trading opportunities, I believe, with Jasmy, like there has been right now. If you would have sold around 4 cents, heavy resistance. We've talked about this on the videos. You could have bought back in lower and increased your overall coin count, right? We do this with stocks also like Palantir and other ones that I've talked about. But I think this is going to be an important zone you want to be watching. But ultimately, guys, a minimum price target this cycle, I believe, is 25 cents. And the reason I believe it's 25 cents is because this is in between the 618 and the 786 level on a Fibonacci. So if you take a Fibonacci from the all-time high, bring it to the all-time low, and I know some people say the all-time high is $5. I'm going to be more conservative, and I'm going to say the all-time high based off this chart is about 35 cents. I do think this will absolutely happen, which is about a 6 to 7x from here on your investment of today's prices. So again, is now the best time to buy Jasmy? Well, that's up to you. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my own opinion. And I'm just sharing with you the way I think and what I think is going to happen from what has happened in previous cycles. And this cycle, you know, you could say, oh, Bitcoin's going to go up. Every altcoin's going to go up. Wrong. You have to pick the right altcoins. And we have the right altcoins in our portfolio, and Jasmy is definitely one of them, okay, for plenty of different reasons. But that's it, guys, right here. This is the zone. Now, on the way up here, of course, there's going to be some pullbacks. You got to understand that. This is how it works. It goes up, it comes down. Trade it if you want to trade it. If you want to learn more, then join the team. It's very simple. Or subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing this information with you guys too. Appreciate you all. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to drop a like. 800 likes is the goal. I think we'll hit it. Go spend time with your family.